Y'all, my food is sizzling and the eye is off. Let me find out this oven up here cooking my food. I'm gonna put y'all on the perfect meal to start off y'all morning. Bacon. Now I get the smoky maple bacon because it smells good and it tastes good. But you know, if you want to go healthy, then I suggest some Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. But I'm not gonna eat it. So, and some eggs. I'm gonna have to go get some more, but so what I eat is 3 bacon, 3 eggs, 3 toasts. You can never go wrong with the 3x3 meal. So 3 eggs. Let me go and put my bacon on. Make sure you put your oven on wherever that's at. So between 300 and 350 because this oven just cook fast and my bacon be burnt sometimes. So we don't want no burnt bacon. And not too much on my hair. I'm gonna do it after I eat. Eating is important before doing your hair. So, but eggs is just good for breakfast because of, you know, protein or whatever. And we get the seasonings, salt and pepper. So while the bacon cooking, I ain't got nothing else to do. So y'all gonna watch me do my eggs. Man, this can really go. All right. You know you want to hit hard, but not too hard. I'm gonna use a plastic fork because I don't feel like washing all these dishes. Add the pepper first, since you can actually see that, and then the salt, we're gonna go light. Then whisk, then stir, then whisk, then stir, then make, then mix. Okay, so it's done. All right, so now I'm gonna check on my bacon. It ain't done, so we're gonna keep that in there, and then we're gonna do something else. Like put the seasonings up. We have done bacon and finished eggs. Next on the menu is toast. Now you want to use honey wheat bread because wheat bread is the healthiest bread and you want the healthiest bread to go inside of your body. So it's going to take me forever to open this, so hold on. Okay, wait. In order to wash less dishes, we want to put foil on the pan. So let's take the bacon off. Anyway, so we're gonna put foil on the pan. And we're gonna pop 3 toasts. Oh, we want some butter. I use Imperial because it's 88 cents and you can't go wrong with 88 cents. Use less dishes as possible. Oh, we're still gonna use that. We got no food to waste. Turn that game off! Why you doing stuff? As you can see, I did burn my toast. When you burn your toast, just make some more. We're not gonna not do the toast. So I know I said no food to waste, but when it's burnt, it's over and done with, and we just not gonna eat it. So back at it again with the butter on the bread. And so what we're going to do this time is actually make sure we do not burn the toast. So I'm going to take y'all with me to ensure that philosophy. So we're going to place it in there. Then I'm going to wait. Okay, we done that quick. All right, so while that's doing that, we're gonna occupy something else, but quickly. So we're gonna just close the bread back up, and then we go to toast again. Seconds go by quick. Okay, we almost burnt it again. Take them out. They alright. Then we're gonna mix in the butter a little more. And there we go. Now let me put it on the plate and make it look pretty for y'all. Paper plates, because we don't want to wash no dishes. Got the 3 toast, 3 bacon, and 3 eggs. This is my food. Toast, eggs, and bacon. 3-course meal. So now this is the after result. So we're just gonna clean up. And if you want to top it off, you can always add some fruits like sliced apples, grapes, strawberries and stuff like that. So get out of there, baby. Close the door. Thank you. So now we're just gonna clean it a little bit, not all the way, because I'm not gonna wash no dishes. No! Get. So, as you can see, I cleared everything up, ready for me to be washed, but I'm not gonna wash right now. So I'm gonna turn off my lights, take my food, and get out. I'm lightheaded, I'm hungry, my stomach growling, so I'm about to eat. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I forgot my drink. How I'm gonna eat with a dry mouth and still be eating. So we're gonna get some plastic cups, because again, I'm not washing dishes all like that. And we're gonna bring it to some whole milk. I mean, if you drink 2% milk, okay, that's you. But to me, both of the milks taste the same, and I just get both because my son drinks vitamin D, so just gonna pour the milk in. I usually put ice in my milk, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm just ready to eat. Starving. So, yeah. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.